Two more runners. Pinoy yata ito, September morning. Last call to buy your trifecta, quartet, and your super six. Pinoy yata ito. Aspen Bags. All set now, ready to race. Final race for tonight. And the race is on. Pinoy yata ito. Pass to begin, followed by September morning. Love Minstrel moving out to take second. It's Pinoy yata ito, followed by Maimpok. Love Minstrel, September morning. Dynamic Love racing in fifth, 6 Benny Goodman. Racing on the outside, She's Gorgeous. Emergency Call, Magical Halo, and Dark Hero is running at the tail of the field. Pinoy yata ito by Hapaland, followed by Love Minstrel. September morning racing on the outside. It's still Pinoy yata ito by Hapaland. September morning, Love Minstrel, She's Gorgeous. Benny Goodman is running in fifth by the Dynamic Club as they race the final corner. September morning, Pinoy yata ito racing on the outside. Benny Goodman is running by the rail. It's still entry number 10, rather, it's Benny Goodman done on the inside. Benny Goodman on the outside. September morning, Benny Goodman done on the inside. September morning by about 2 lengths. And finally, September morning, Benny Goodman, She's Gorgeous, close.